Once you drill a lock, it will probably be necessary to either repair or replace the lock. If you have drilled an inexpensive lock, I would recommend just selling the customer a new lock. More expensive locks can normally be put back in service by replacing the plug. If you have a good used part, you can offer that to the customer as an alternative to selling them a new part. A number of companies offer replacement parts for the most common types of locks and keyways. This is a GMS. This is a Schlage lock. Has the lock cylinder. This is SC1 keyway. Comes with different tail pieces so it'll fit different applications. Ilco makes a nice kit. Same thing, you'll get the cylinder. This here's a KW1 keyway on this. You can order the most popular keyways. These companies are going to offer the locks in the most popular keyways, and you can carry the ones you need for your customers. But again, it's a real nice cylinder. And again, it has the tail pieces for different applications. For the Schlage keyway, I normally carry both the brass colored and the chrome colored. If you happen to have to drill a storefront lock, this is general lock. This is a mortise cylinder. And you just unscrew the mortise cylinder, replace the mortise cylinder with either the SC1 or whatever keyway you need. Again, you can carry 2 or 3 different ones on your truck. Comes with a tail piece. Now you may need more than one tail piece. In fact, you will need more than one tail piece on your truck for different applications. So have the most common tail pieces for the mortise cylinders on your truck. I also want to tell you about this kit that is available from Schlage that has plugs for most all of their locks, and it also has a conversion from a Schlage to a quickset keyway. You can see these various types of plugs in the kit. The kit comes with pins for pinning the locks. It has the clips for the F-locks, springs and so on. It has a little Schlage tool in it, springs and so on. Plugs in this bin, as indicated up here, go to the Bell, Plymouth, and the Georgian knobs. This bin is for the orbit knobs. If you have a lever handle, it'd be the plugs in this bin. It's for the lever handles. Plugs for the deadbolts would be here. And then if it's a handle set, that would be here. You can see these are different. This is the Bell Plymouth Georgian. Orbit knob is a much longer plug. And those are just different from the lever handles. This is your typical deadbolt plug. You can see it has the 505 and the 626. It's either the chrome or the brass. It tells you the length of the plug. If you're having trouble getting parts as you start out, just go by the hardware store and buy yourself a couple of basic locks, at least one Schlage and one quickset lock. And then if you need to, you can take parts off of these, and you'll have spare parts when you need them, at least for the basic locks. Alternatives for dealing with a drilled lock include to sell the customer a new lock set, sell the customer a used part, or sell the customer a new part. Always let the customer decide if they want to buy a used part, and never put in a used part unless the customer has agreed to it. Of course, if you have to go get new parts, or even if you have to order new parts, the customer should be willing to pay for the additional time. Please take just a moment to like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.